Hi, I'm Jean Schumacher, and I want to share with you an amazing company that I work with. Before I found this company, I was constantly looking for toxic-free products that work. That was the key. It was hit or miss, and I could never find an entire company that would totally meet all my needs. But now I have found Pure Haven, and this company meets my standards as a former chemistry teacher. All the products are toxic free and USDA certified organic for the factory and made here in the good old US of A, Rhode Island, actually. When you buy personal care products, do you take the time to read the labels? Or did you think like me? I thought growing up that somewhere someone along the line had said, okay, these are safe for human use? No. So let's talk a little bit about what the problem is with that, and then let's talk about a solution. So let's back up here for a second. What if the products being sold to you and your family were being marketed to you as safe, healthy, but in reality, we're not? And what if these products were causing extreme damage to your skin and your family's overall long-term health? My question to you is, would you make a different choice if you knew that these products were causing you problems? Would you look for products that were not toxic? Everyday products in your home could be damaging your skin and making you sick. Women in the United States are exposed to more than 168 toxic chemicals a day. And if you're using makeup, it's a lot more than that. And children aren't immune either. They're finding now umbilical cords have been found to contain over 200 toxic chemicals. Our babies are being born toxic. Houston, we have a problem here. How is this possible? Because while more than 1,300 toxic chemicals are banned in Europe, only 11 are banned here in the United States. Europe has much different regulations than we do here. These toxic chemicals are found in hair care and skincare products, antiperspirants, and fragrances, all products that people use every day, maybe even multiple times a day. Let's look at the first 5 ingredients on the label on this popular competitor product and look at the first 5 on our Refresh Eye Cream with the pre and probiotics. First, I have to say, this is an amazing product. This is what I use for my facial moisturizer, and I can't even say enough about it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing stuff. Let's look at the one on the right. Do you recognize any of the ingredients? Would you feel good about putting a product that contains butylene glycol, which is linked to cancer? Or how about some cyclohexysiloxane, which is an endocrine disruptor, on your body? Yeah, I'm not really excited about either one of those things. Don't worry about memorizing the names of harmful ingredients, but I have a list for you that contains all these harmful ingredients and what they do to your body. All you have to do is connect with me through simplyplantbased.net and just let me know you want the free list, and I'll be happy to send that to you. So let's talk about bioaccumulation. Imagine the effects that toxic chemical buildup must have on your body over time. This is called bioaccumulation, and it builds up. Toxic chemicals are absorbed directly into the bloodstream through your skin, literally in 26 seconds. Some of these chemicals can be stored in your body for years, creating what is called a body burden. Did you know that up to 90% of cancer is caused by environmental factors? There are harmful chemicals in your home, and these are part of the environmental factors that you can control. I can't control what's going on outside in the world, but I can control where I live and what comes into my environment. You control what your family is exposed to. So either you learn to read a label and know the effects of these toxic chemicals, or you find a company that doesn't use toxic ingredients. I found one, pretty amazing one at that. I think you know that it's not just cancer that is on the increase. Other disease rates are on the rise as well. Since 2000, Alzheimer's death rates have increased 123%. My mother-in-law just passed recently after 7 years of being in a nursing home for dementia. She went in at 72. It cost $4,000 a month. And when she passed 7 years later, it was up to $9,000 a month. Since 1960, breast cancer diagnosis rates have increased 150%. Since 1995, children's autism diagnosis rates have increased 747%. But now, 1 out of 68 children, according to the CDC, are diagnosed with autism. Disease rates are climbing every year in the US, and there's no question in my mind that toxic chemicals have been linked to many health issues that are on the rise. While there have been advances in diagnosing and documenting diseases, the results are still pretty astounding. I think it's safe to say that pretty much everyone knows someone with either Alzheimer's, cancer, or autism. Here's something to think about. Manufacturers of many products have to wear hazmat suits when manufacturing their products. If they're concerned about how toxic it is to the people that are creating it, should we be concerned? Why are toxic chemicals allowed in products at all? Well, it comes down to three major reasons. One, they're cheaper. Two, the toxins will make the products last longer sitting on the shelf in the stores. And three, this is a big one, the US regulations don't require toxic chemical testing for personal or home care products. This all results in our families being exposed to toxic products that are peddled as safe. I am so not okay with this. As a former chemistry teacher, I always tried to make my students aware of such chemical families like parabens or phthalates. Oh gosh, there are so many. These toxic products are also affecting your skin microbiome. Perhaps you've heard about the importance of good gut health. It's the good bacteria in your gut called your gut microbiome. Well, your skin has a microbiome too, which is the skin's healthy bacteria, and it's just as important for protecting your skin from pathogens, damage, and dryness. But products containing toxic ingredients are destroying it every day. Even products that contain all the right, clean ingredients sometimes have toxic preservative systems in them that lessen the effectiveness of those ingredients and destroy your microbiome. Who wants to look younger, remove fine lines and wrinkles, and protect against dry skin? Products that help you accomplish those goals help you feel better about yourself and feel more confident. Of course, you also need to eat right, and that's a whole food, plant-based lifestyle. And this will heal your skin from the inside out. But that's a whole nother conversation. And you can learn more about that by going to simplyplantbased.net. But how do you choose products that promote healthy skin, protect your microbiome, and keep you safe from toxic chemicals? Well, first step is to become aware that there are toxic ingredients in everyday products. And again, I will be happy to send you a list of the most common ones. Just go to simplyplantbased.net and connect and ask me for the free list, and I'll be happy to send that to you. You also need to find a company that won't make compromises when it comes to using toxic chemicals in their products. So let's talk about the prebiotic. Pure Haven has specifically chosen a long-chain inulin extracted from chicory roots and agave to hydrate through the skin. Their prebiotic is pH balanced, and they don't use preservatives so that the prebiotics can survive. These prebiotics help to counteract the damaging effect of toxic preservatives on the skin, and it supports the skin to reduce the signs of aging. Pure Haven derives the probiotic from bacteria used to make yogurt. It works with your skin's natural ecosystem, providing near immediate results, and helps to strengthen the skin's natural ability to defend itself by forming a type of protective shield on the skin surface. It also boosts the skin's resistance to damage from environmental stressors. It reduces inflammation and redness. These products work to feed and defend your skin to protect your skin's microbiome. Since I've been with the company, it's literally all I use. I must say, I am impressed with the quality, how good the products are, but the best part is that they're toxic free. When Pure Haven says no compromises, they mean that they adhere to a strict ingredient sourcing procedure and manufacture their products in their own USDA certified organic facility in small batches, so they're delivered to you fresh. They have incorporated a Pure Protect proprietary preservation technology that uses zero harmful chemicals to preserve their products, and they're the only company that I know of that's doing that. With their unique combination of Pure Protect and ingredients specifically chosen to protect your skin's microbiome, Pure Haven, to me, delivers peace of mind with every product. No compromises. Pure Haven was recently featured in Forbes magazine thanks to their no compromises policy. Pure Haven has done the work for you. All it takes for you to remove a lot of toxins from your daily routine and help to rebuild your skin's microbiome is to swap your existing skincare products for Pure Haven. You won't believe the results people are having with these products. They're seeing changes in their skin. The bundle is valued at $226 if bought separately, but you can purchase it for $149. You'll also receive 2 bonus products, the exfoliator and the charcoal detox face mask with pre and probiotics, absolutely free. Plus, purchase of this bundle comes with enrollment in our preferred customer club with free shipping on all orders of $70 or more, and special monthly offers, and so much more. For an even better deal, you can book a gathering with me and I'll help you get this bundle for free. I like free. We also offer the non-toxic lifestyle bundle, and this includes 11 of our most popular personal and home care products, helping to eliminate 117 toxins from your home. This bundle is valued at $181, but you can get it for $149 and also be enrolled in our preferred customer club with free shipping on all orders of $70 or more and special monthly offers and so much more. And I just have to tell you about the Master Blaster. This one alone is a game changer. This plant-based multi-enzyme formula works in minutes to break down stains, even like things like red wine. It's great for freshening up fabrics around the house, deodorizing shoes, so much more. I've used it in the car for the air conditioning vents to make it smell nice. It's a game changer, seriously. And for those of you who can't decide which bundle to get, we've created the ultimate non-toxic bundle, which offers the best of both worlds, the non-toxic skincare and the lifestyle bundle, plus bonus products. With this bundle, you can remove a phenomenal amount of toxins from your home. This is our best value bundle with a retail value over $457, but you can get it for just $299. You're already purchasing similar products for your home and family, so why not purchase non-toxic ones? Here is another option, just planting seeds. If you want 30% off all of your Pure Haven orders, become a consultant instead. There's so many more perks that come with being a consultant, like a flexible schedule and the opportunity to earn free vacations, other prizes, and let's not forget that 30% discount. That alone is worth it. So, use, host, join. Well, start removing the toxins from your home today by using Pure Haven's products. I promise you, you will feel the difference. And the best part is they work, honestly. Host. You can host a gathering, either virtual or in your home if you live nearby me. You earn free products. I always make gatherings a great event. Or join. The best way to get started on your non-toxic journey is to join Pure Haven as a consultant, because you can purchase non-toxic products for your home at a 30% discount whenever you like. Plus, we make it super easy to share. I mean, literally, oh my gosh, these products just sell themselves, honestly. If you have an interest in learning more about becoming a consultant, just let me know. Oh my gosh, I have a flyer with details. Honestly, this company, I cannot say enough about it between their customer service and everything else they offer. I mean, for me, it's peace of mind. That's what the bottom line is. It's peace of mind. I know it's non-toxic. Thank you for taking the time to learn about toxic-free living. It's what I am all about and hope you are as well. You have a choice. You now have the knowledge about the toxins that are in your personal care products. We don't need corporate America, and we don't need toxins in our products that create body burden and destroy our microbiomes. We have a choice. You have a choice. And when you choose Pure Haven, if you're not completely satisfied after 60 days, send your products back to them. I mean, like empty bottle, like send that back for a full refund. You've got nothing to lose, just saying. So if you're ready to go toxic free, you can message me through simplyplantbased.net, or you can order purehavenessentials.com/J Schumacher. And you can also join my Facebook group, Pure Haven by Jean. I just have to say one last piece. These products meet my standards. It's why I use them. They magically appear on my doorstep, nicely wrapped, boxed, and shipped. And it's one less thing for me to worry about. And hopefully, this will be one less thing for you to worry about as well. All right. Have a fantastic day.